Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to part 2 of our deviled eggs series. In this video, we'll explore fun flavor variations, storage tips, and how to prep them for parties without any stress. Make the filling smooth, pipeable, and not too runny. Start by mashing the yolks until they look like fine crumbs. A fork works, but a small spoon can help press out lumps along the side of the bowl. Add mayo a little at a time. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. Stir in mustard, then add vinegar or pickle juice for a clean, tangy bite. Season with salt and pepper, then taste again. Quick fixes that save a batch. Gritty filling, press the yolk mix through a fine mesh sieve, then stir in mayo. Too runny, add another cooked yolk if you have one, or chill the filling for 20 to 30 minutes to help it firm up. Taste flat, add a pinch of salt, a bit more mustard, or a small splash of pickle juice. For filling, a piping bag looks nice, but a spoon works fine. A simple trick is to use a zip-top bag. Spoon the filling in, squeeze it toward one corner, then snip off a small piece of the tip and pipe. Deviled egg flavor variations that always get compliments. Once you have the base filling, flavors are easy. Mix add-ins into the yolk mixture first, then top with a garnish so people can spot the flavor at a glance, and you get a little crunch or color. Classic toppings and mix-ins: paprika, dill, relish, and chives. All-American relish, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons sweet relish or dill relish, then top with paprika. Relish adds salt and moisture, so add mayo slowly and go light on extra salt. Dill and chive, mix in 1 teaspoon chopped fresh dill, or half teaspoon dried, plus 1 tablespoon chopped chives. Finish with black pepper and a few extra chives on top. Pickle forward, use pickle juice instead of vinegar, then fold in 1 tablespoon finely chopped pickles. Top with a tiny pickle slice if you want it obvious. Bacon ranch, spicy sriracha, and avocado lime twists. Bacon ranch, add 1 tablespoon ranch seasoning, or to taste, and 2 tablespoons crumbled bacon. Top with more bacon bits for crunch. Sriracha heat, stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons sriracha or your favorite hot sauce, plus a pinch of cayenne if you want more kick. Top with a tiny dot of sauce and paprika. Avocado lime, mix in half small ripe avocado, mashed smooth, plus 1 to 2 teaspoons lime juice and a pinch of salt. Add chopped cilantro if you like it. Keep these cold and eat them the same day for the best color. Make ahead, storage, and food safety tips for deviled eggs. Deviled eggs are party friendly, but they're also perishable. The good news is they're easy to prep ahead if you store them the right way. You can hard cook eggs up to 5 days ahead and keep them unpeeled in the fridge. If you're making a big batch, that alone removes most of the day of stress. For the best texture, store the whites and filling separately, then fill them closer to serving time. At a party, don't leave deviled eggs out too long. A safe rule is no more than 2 hours at room temp, less if it's hot out. Set out a smaller tray and refill from the fridge as needed. That's it for part 2. Now you can make deviled eggs like a pro, from classic to creative flavors. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes and tips. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.